Hello class, hello ladies and gentlemen. Now we are going to start a new learning unit which describe array in line with programming. Last time we have covered a learning unit, learning outcome number 1 for describing a data structure. Now we are going to describe array in line with programming in this learning outcome. First of all, we have to know what is array. Array is a container which can hold a fixed number of items, and these items should be of the same type. It is a container which can hold a fixed number of items, and these items should be of the same type. Now, most of data structure make use of array to implement the algorithm. The following are the important terms to understand the concept of array. The terms, number 1 is elements. An element, each item stored in array is called elements. Another term is index. What is an index? Each location of element in array has a numerical index which is used to identify an element. Those numerical index, it is called an index. How arrays look like? Array representation in this manner. Array can be declared in various ways in different languages. For illustration, let us take array declaration. We have different languages like C++, C, JavaScript, Java, and so on. Now, in those languages, let us illustrate array in C language. Let us see how to declare array in C language. You can declare in this way. This is the type or data type, name of array, the size of array, and the elements. This way. The element should be also, you can declare in this way. Another way of declaring array, you can declare this one, the element like this, the element like this. Those are the elements, and also here those are the index that start from 0 and up to 9 because the size of array is 10. As per the above illustration, the following are important points to be considered as follow. The index start from 0. Yes. The index start from 0. Array length is 10, which means it can store 10 elements, and also each element can be accessed via its index. For example, we can fetch an element at index 6 as 27. Yes. Arrays are in 3 types, which are single dimension array. The other type is 2-dimensional array, and dynamically allocated array or multi-dimension array. Those are the three types of array: single dimension array, two-dimension array, dynamically allocated array, or multi-dimensional arrays. Those are the three types of array. Another data structure is a stack. What is a stack? A stack is abstract data structure commonly used in most programming languages. The stack can be used in C++, C programming, and so on, and other many languages. It is named stack as to behave like a real world stack. For example, a deck of cards. Yes, a deck of cards, or a pile of plates, etc. Those are how stack look like. A real world stack allow operation at one end. For example, we can place or remove a card or plate from the top stack only. Yeah. Likewise, stack abstract data structure allow all operation at one end. At any given time, we can only access the top element of the stack. Yes, this feature make it LIFO. It means LIFO means last in, first out. It means the last item is the first one that you can remove or fetch. Yes. Here the element which is placed or inserted or added last is accessed the first, as I have said. In stack terminology, insertion operation is called push, and the removal operation is called pop operation. Yeah. Stack representation. The following diagram show the following diagram. The following diagram depict a stack and its operation. Yeah. This is a stack and how to push. Can add an element and the stack for pop, removing element from the stack. A stack can be implemented by means of array structure, pointers, and linked list. Stack can either be a fixed size one, or it may have a sense of dynamic resizing. Now here we are going to implement stack using array. Yes, we are going to implement a stack using array instead of using structure, pointers, and other linked list. Which is we are going to implement stack using array, which make it a fixed size stack implementation. Yeah. Basic stack operation. Stack operation may involve initially the stack, using it, and then deinitializing it. Apart from this basic stuff, a stack is used for the following two primary operations. The two primary operations of stack is push operation, pushing or storing an element on the stack. Another operation is pop operation, removing or accessing an element from the stack. When data is pushed onto the stack, when data is pushed to the stack. To use stack efficiently, we need to check the status of the stack as well. In order to use stack